Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Trade Talk, your go-to place for finance, investing and building wealth. In this video, I'll be discussing about top 5 coins to get before 2025. So, what are you waiting for? And don't miss the last one cause it can help you get financial freedom. So, let's get into it. The first and foremost is Ethereum. Yes, ETH ETF is approved and ETH just touched its all-time high and it's right now at its almost lowest and it is on Christmas sale right now. So you better get your bags filled up with this because it can give you drastic profits in near future. Second, we have Solana. There are rumors that Solana's ETF is about to get approved. And you know, when a coin's ETF is approved, it just goes boom. So do get this in your portfolio. Now, heading down to the third coin, which is XRP. You heard me right. XRP's case is over and they've won. So there is a very high probability that it can go to moon. So you should definitely consider getting XRP in your portfolio. Now heading down to the fourth one, which is Link. Link coin is currently at $21 and its all-time high is almost $53. So you can definitely 3x your money if you get a chunk of Link in your portfolio. Now, heading down to the fifth and the last one, which is my favorite coin, which is Injective. Yes, INJ, which is currently at $19-20 right now. It recently came from $36 and touched almost $17 in this crash. So you should definitely consider getting Injective for your portfolio because it could go to moon. The all-time high it had previously made in the last year was around 55-ish. So you should definitely consider getting this one. So there you have your 5 coins. You should consider getting them before 2025. This is not a financial advice. You should always do your research before buying anything because this is not a financial advice and this is just an informative video. Thanks for watching.